What's up, Moonrats? Welcome to Recap Crypto, where every day we show you how to make money in cryptocurrency. I'm Joey Pepperoni. Let's recap that crypto. We got Bitcoin holding steady at around 54, 55. I like where the price of Bitcoin is right now. This is giving time for a lot of altcoins to rise. There was news this week that Tesla sold 10% of its holdings. However, he did it to prove the liquidity of Bitcoin as an alternative to holding cash. Musk and Tesla have been huge promoters of Bitcoin. They have often pushed the price of cryptocurrency with their investments. What's funny is that Tesla made more money selling 10% of Bitcoin than it did selling cars. There were rumors this morning about Facebook buying Bitcoin and that they were going to reveal it at today's earnings call. There was no reveal. They did not buy any Bitcoin. It's not a big deal. I don't know why people were even excited about that. The truth is Facebook is actually working on their own currency. They want to call it Libra. It seems like every day there's news about some big company buying some Bitcoin. These are all bullish signs. Ethereum is on a high. Is this the last chance to get it below 3K? Experts say it's headed to 3,500. This was a pivotal week for Ethereum. Some people got off the wait list for Ethereum 2.0 staking on COINBASE, so they got their Ethereum staked. This is driving the price up. At this point, if you're not extremely long on Ethereum or Web 3.0, it's probably going to be a rough decade for you. Cardano also on the rise. The Africa bird lands a few days early. Cardano shows no signs of slowing down. There's news with Cardano in Ethiopia. The Ethiopian government will have student IDs on the Cardano blockchain. XRP. What happens to the price of XRP when the utility kicks in? XRP might be the first token that has utility takeover, that actually has its live product pushing billions of fiat through the system with XRP being leveraged. So what happens when on-demand liquidity kicks in? What will happen to the price? I know a lot of people don't like XRP, but when there's cheese to be made, come on. Once the lawsuit is over, it's going to skyrocket again. The lawsuit will probably end with a settlement. Dogecoin. Is Dogecoin the BTC killer? Probably not. Like a good dog, you wait for Elon to tweet so that you can make some cheese. Is Dogecoin a good buy? Is it headed to $1? Yeah, it's going to get to $1, but a lot of other ones are going to get to higher prices anyway. Usually people, when they're first getting into crypto, it's with Dogecoin. This is their foot in the door for the crypto world. And I love that. How much Dogecoin should you hold? It's at 30 cents. If it gets to $1, let's say you 3 times your money. We're trying to moonshot it. Dogecoin was a good buy when it was 1 or 2 pennies. Now, when it gets low, I put a little bit of cheese in. When it gets high, I take the cheese out. I got my other investments that I'm in that are making way more money than Dogecoin. For example, in my previous video, I talked about Bakery Swap being a moonshot. And let's take a look where Bakery Swap is right now. It's $4.20 now. I told you about it at $1 a few days ago. You would have made more money buying this in a couple of days than Dogecoin sitting waiting like a dog for Elon to tweet. It's simply a mechanism for people to get into crypto. That's all that it is. If you watched my video earlier this week, you would have made the same amount of money, if not more, and this is going to continue to go upwards. Bakery Swap. Overall about Dogecoin, probably will get to $1. But like you see, a lot of other cryptos are moving up too. So don't think that Doge is going to be the only one that's going up. If you find the right ones, you can make a lot of money. What will happen when we mine gold from asteroids? Gold is limited because we only have a supply on Earth. We see that there's a lot of gold in space. There's asteroids that are just all gold. Elon has plans to explode them. He wants to make it rain gold. When we start mining it, we're going to have a lot more. And then what happens to the dollar? Cryptocurrency is more than just moonshots. You may come in for the money, you may come in because you're excited. However, the people that actually stay, they get the bigger picture. Crypto is about decentralization, censorship resistance. It's about ownership, self-responsibility. Remember the GameStop scam? Yeah, that was a scam. Just like the fake coins you hear people trying to buy now, GameStop was a business that always scammed us. As a kid, I avoided them because they were always scamming us. They would make a lot of money off of my system. They'd underpay me and then they would sell it higher. I believe the institutions created this whole story with the hedge funds. Oh, they're gonna short GameStop. In reality, this was all scripted like a Hollywood movie. From Roaring Kitty, Roaring whatever, to Vlad the Impaler, Robin Hood. They're all actors. They wanted us Moonrats to give them the money from the stimulus checks that they gave us. So they created a story to save the dying businesses that they closed down. They got us pumped up. They called us retards, gorillas, bananas. They gave us hope that maybe together we could take out the dirty Wall Street people. All for what? All for us to try to buy GameStop? And then they block us from buying GameStop, and then they create a televised soap opera on it? They don't want us to understand or use blockchain technology because they know it would be the end of their giant scam. So when people say there will be a bear market or it's going to crash, This is incorrect. They mock us with their fake news, their fake FUD. They censor us Moonrats when we try to question things or make a valid statement. They control us with their centralized ways. From Facebook to Twitter to even public streams, you can't say what you want. Only they can. Well, enough is enough. We have the technology to save us. In September, the stock market will crash, not the crypto market. This technology is here to stay. It's a break from a way things have been done before. It's a dawning of a new era in time. I know you're smart if you're watching this channel. You get what's going on. For the first time in history, blockchain gives us the ability to rule without the need for governors or presidents. When you're investing in cryptocurrency, you're not just investing in some digital coins. You're playing a role in the future, the betterment of mankind. You see, us Moonrats, we are the resistance. Moonrats, this is our chance for cheese. Real cheese. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment below. See you later, Moonrats.